So hey everyone, so if you're a person who can spend just $100 in any gadget which will be completely worth it for you, this video is for you. So welcome to Gadgets series video. So today I will be introducing to you 6 gadgets which will be useful for you. So the first product that I have in my hand is a washing machine. So you'll be thinking yeah, I know that word, but the thing is, this is a washing machine shock absorber. So now, as the name suggests, you may be knowing what's the main purpose of this shock absorber. So after the washing cycles, when we dry our clothes in the dryer, we have experienced this issue where in the spinning process of the dryer, the machine starts making a lot of vibrations and creating a lot of noisy environment around. Avoid that. I have this product, which is washing machine shock absorber. In $100 you will get 4 pieces. Just put these pieces below each leg of your washing machine, and this product will actually absorb vibrations it's creating, and thus now you will get a stable free, more vibration free dryer. So the second gadget I have in my hand is a soap holder. So I know this is actually a pretty strange gadget, but this soap holder is pretty much useful than the other soap holders that you use in day-to-day life. When you use your soap and place it in a normal soap holder, we'll see that after 2 to 3 days, that soap will be now in a decomposed state, in a condition difficult to use due to excess water present in that soap holder. So here's a solution for this. I have this soap holder. This soap holder actually comes with a suction bag at the back. So you can place this soap holder anywhere you want. Once placed, it will not move any further. After placing your soap, the excess water present in your soap will channel out through the ending of the soap holder, giving you now a cleaner and tidy experience and eventually giving your soap a longer life. The third gadget I have in my hand is actually a plastic wall hook. So if you're in a room where you don't have any metal pin or any other hanging pins to hang your favorite items, you can buy this plastic wall hook. This plastic wall hook under 100 comes with 25 pieces in a packet. At the back of this hook there is actually a sticky surface. You can now stick this plastic hook to any part of your wall, and now you can hang anything you want. It can be any extended cables or your favorite painting, etc. Even though it's lightweight, it can also handle weights more than it. So please check this gadget also. The link is in the description below. Fourth gadget is the kitchen peeler. Other than peeling your item, it have other purposes too. This part can be used for opening your bottle like a bottle opener, and on top of it, you can use this part as a can opener to open your soft drink cans. Now at the back, we can use this part to remove black spot that is present in the fruits and vegetables that you purchase. And the side of it, here is the brush that we can use to clean those fruits and vegetables. And below, when we slide down, here is the peeler, the main purpose of this gadget. You can use this peeler to actually peel your any items. It doesn't matter whether it's any type of food items, fruits or vegetables, according to your shape and preferences. The next is a fluorescent tire cap. So if you're a person who loves to lighten up your vehicle tires, doesn't matter if it's actually a bike or a car, you can use this fluorescent tire caps. It will actually glow your tires at night pretty much. But the thing is, the glow will be not that much bright, but for $100 it's really enough. So next gadget is a lamp cum pen holder. So this gadget you can use in your table area during your reading or study time schedules. But the thing that attracted to me to this gadget is its very cute Pikachu design. So now to use the light of this pen cum holder, just connect it to any of the sockets nearby, or also you can connect its wire to the power bank and it will lead that light to lighten up. So that's it about today's gadget series. We'll get back with a new video. Till then, goodbye.